Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. Today we are going to discuss about Shandong aircraft carrier. The Shandong is the first aircraft carrier manufactured by China. Its cost is less than $7 billion. Its length is about 1033 feet. Its flight deck length is 1000 feet and deck width is 236 feet. It can carry maximum load of 64,000 tons, but normally payload on this ship is 48,000 tons. Its travel speed is 57.4 km per hour. Its range of travel is 25,928 km. There are 8 steam boilers and 4 steam turbines combined, delivering power to 4 shafts. If we discuss the number of jets on it, then it can carry up to 44 fighter aircrafts and helicopters, such as 35 J-15 series fighter jets and 6 fighter helicopters. There are 3 30mm machine guns fitted in this ship and has 3 missiles launchers. It has long range and short range missiles. The missiles have an effective range of 9 km. Okay friends, this was Shandong aircraft carrier. It is the one